Tiffany here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. So, it's Valentine's Day weekend. You guys like my flowers? Don't hate on my flowers. It's actually my dog toy. I'm manifesting my roses for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. So these had to do. But if you're anything like me, you love love. And if you don't, then... oh, okay. Do you? Alright, so Valentine's Day is a great day to spend with your boo thing. Or if you don't have a boo thing, it's fine, no worries. You can spend time on yourself. Plus, this year we've been cooped up in the house with our kids and our significant others, getting our kids on Zoom. It's been a stressful year. So this Valentine's Day would be a great time to spend on self-care. Have some me time this Valentine's Day. And that is exactly why I purchased myself an airbox. And if you stay tuned, you'll have an opportunity to win an airbox because we'll be giving one away today. So this is airbox. It was created by my absolute favorite hairstylist, Sade Renee. She is in Atlanta, and if you're in Atlanta, I am a little bit jealous because you will have the opportunity to get your hair done by her, and which I don't anymore. Let's get into the airbox. All right, so get my scissors ready. Okay, let's open it and see what it's like. Alright, so this is my very first airbox from Sade. And she always has lovely boxes. Alright, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh yeah, if you're interested too, here is the website. Here, airbox.com. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. And she always has a wonderful quote when I buy her hair products. She always has a wonderful quote here on the top. So it says, "It's time to treat yourself like the queen you are." Most definitely. So I would definitely recommend that you all check out the airboxes. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Remember, this is my first airbox, so let's see what's here. Alright, so you get a candle. And the candle is called Me Versus Me. And she makes these candles herself. They're very pretty. Smell good too. And then you also get 2 tubes of bath salts here. Self-care in the bathtub. And to top it off, you get the 24 karat gold collagen under eye patch. And I actually need that today because my eyes are a little puffy for some reason. So that would be perfect for that. Oh yeah, and one more thing here. It's a heart. I think it goes in the bath. I'm not sure. It doesn't really say. I love the candle. I can't wait to try that out. As you can see, this one is a little run down. Alright, so if you can check her out, you can see that she has a variety of different boxes here. If you go to her website. And this one is the... which one is this? This one is the Relax a Little box. So yeah, this one is the Relax a Little box here. And that's exactly what I wanted to do this Valentine's Day. I wanted to enjoy I had a 4-day weekend. I wanted to enjoy the weekend and relax a little. So that's why I got this box. And if you stay tuned, you can get it too. So this is how you can get it too. In order to enter the giveaway, what we're going to do, first you have to be a subscriber because I do the giveaways as a way to thank my subscribers for watching. I greatly appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Second, I want you to comment below. What do you love about yourself? We give so much. We have to remember that there are things that we do love about yourself. So if you could write in the comments, I love my what? What do you love about yourself? You. All right. And 3, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I will be posting the picture of the air box there on Instagram. Comment below. And number 4, be okay with your name being posted on YouTube, because I will be announcing the winner here on YouTube on February 21st. So again, we'll be picking the winner on February 21st. All right, that's all for now. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Thanks for watching, and continue to live beautifully. All right, bye.